This is number 5 from the 2025 8th grade math STAAR test. It says the graph of a linear relationship is shown on the coordinate grid. What are the slope and the y-intercept of the line? So the first thing we're going to do is look at the y-intercept, and on our graph, we can see that our line crosses the y-axis right at positive 1. So that means our y-intercept is 1, and we can eliminate letter C and letter D. Next, we're going to look at slope. And so slope on this graph is just going to be rise over run. And so I'm going to pick 2 points on our graph and make a right triangle. And so we can see on our triangle, this side is 2, and this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so that means that our rise is going to be a -2 because we're going down 2. And then our run is just 6. And so -2 over 6 would be our slope, which we can simplify to -1 over 3. And so that would be our slope. And if we look at our answer choices, letter B has a slope of -1 over 3. And so we're going to go with letter B as our final answer.